Welcome to Maximizer CRM video tutorials. This video will show you how to use Microsoft Outlook integration for Maximizer CRM. With Outlook integration for Maximizer, you can use Microsoft Outlook to send and receive email and continue to track your correspondences in Maximizer. Use Outlook integration to save email messages with Maximizer entries, or track entire email threads with Maximizer entries. Send email to Maximizer contacts. Create contacts, tasks, and customer service cases in Maximizer from email messages in Outlook. Outlook synchronization is another component of Outlook integration. It mirrors appointments, tasks, and contacts between Maximizer and Outlook. For more information, see the How to Use Outlook Synchronization video. This video will explain how to use the features of Outlook integration. For information on installing and configuring Outlook integration, see the How to Install and Set Up Outlook Integration video. Saving Outlook email to Maximizer entries. You can use Outlook integration to save Outlook email to Maximizer entries. In Outlook, select the email message. Open the Maximizer tab to access all commands available in Outlook integration. Select Save to Maximizer. Then select the type of entry to save the email with: address book entry, opportunity, or customer service case. The contact with a matching email address is displayed. If a matching contact is not found, you can search for another contact. Similarly, when you save email to opportunities or customer service cases, all opportunities or cases associated with the contact with the matching email address are displayed. You can select the specific entry the email applies to. If the message is addressed to multiple contacts, you can save the email to all contacts at the same time. Click OK to save the email with the selected entries. In Maximizer, you can view the email message saved with the entry. In your Outlook integration preferences, you can change how this feature works. You can choose to include or exclude attachments with saved email messages. If an email includes a very large attachment, you may want to turn off this option to keep from exceeding the 4 MB limit for documents in Maximizer. You can clear the Confirm when saving email option to remove the prompt that appears when you save an email message. Tracking Outlook email threads in Maximizer. You can track entire email threads sent and received in Outlook to contacts in Maximizer. All email messages in the thread are automatically saved to the Maximizer contacts. First, select an email in the thread. On the Maximizer tab, select Save and Track. The email message is saved to contacts with matching email addresses. When you later receive responses to the email, they're automatically saved to the Maximizer entries. Sending email to Maximizer contacts. When you compose email in Outlook, you can select contacts for Maximizer as the recipients of the email. When the email is sent, it's automatically saved with the Maximizer entry. In Outlook, write a new email or reply or forward an existing email. Select the Maximizer tab and select Add Maximizer Addresses. Search for the contact by company name or by last name. Select the contact and click To. Click OK to add the contact to the email message. When you finish composing the email, you can save it with the contact or with an opportunity or case while sending it. Click Send Email and Save to Contact. Click OK to confirm the action. Creating Maximizer contacts from Outlook email. You can use Outlook integration to create a contact from sent or received email in Outlook. First, select the email message. On the Maximizer tab, select Create Contact. The name and email of the contact are pre-populated based on the values in the email message. You can create a new company for the contact, add the contact to an existing company, or create an individual entry. If this contact belongs to an existing company in Maximizer, you can search for the company that you want to save the contact with. You can enter additional information for the contact. Click OK to finish adding the contact. In Maximizer, you can now work with the new contact. In your Outlook integration preferences, you can change how this feature works. From the default contact type drop-down list, select the default type of entry to create in Maximizer. Clear the Confirm when creating contact option to remove the prompt to enter the details of the contact. This option works best when you choose Individual as the default contact type. You can similarly create contacts in Maximizer from contacts in Outlook. Creating tasks in Maximizer from Outlook email. You can use Outlook integration to create hotlist tasks in Maximizer from sent or received email in Outlook. First, select the email message. On the Maximizer tab, select Create Task. You can choose to associate the task with a new contact or with a contact with a matching email address. Or you can create a personal task not associated with an entry. Specify the properties of the task. Click OK to finish creating the task. In Maximizer, you can work with the new task. Similarly, you can create customer service cases in Maximizer from email received in Outlook. Thank you for using Maximizer CRM video tutorials. For further information, visit www.maximizer.com.